Did you know that Enugu is one of the best places in the southeast to live, work, and invest? Did you also know that Enugu State is the fastest developing state in the southeast when it comes to real estate investment? Did you also know that Transekulu is the latest newborn baby when it comes to real estate development in Enugu, Nigeria? Did you also know that Transekulu is one of the best places where you can have peace of mind in Enugu State, Nigeria? Welcome to this contemporary 6 unit of 5-bedroom duplex right here at Phase 6 Extension, Transekulu. Come with me.
Can I call you Rose?